How you doing? It's Dan Swede, the president of Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. You can visit our website at trashbincleanersdirect.com or pressurecleanersdirect.com. Here are two of our titanium trailer packages. This is our best seller. They have the full wastewater filtration and wastewater recycling capabilities. So this can allow you to triple the amount of trash carts you can do in a day. You can get up to 700 maintenance cans off of one tank. And the speed is astronomical, especially when it comes to not just maintenance cans, which are clean cans month after month, but actually your initial cleaning, we are 6 times faster than anything in the industry right now. And that's really where you're going to see the cost savings and see your income grow, is based on the ability to be able to handle hundreds of new customers at a time, instead of having to deal with taking 4, 5, 6 weeks to finish a certain amount of counts. Going to show you inside too. We've got some additional systems here. Out front, you'll see a truck mount. That's actually one of our fleet washing truck mounted packages. This is going to Indiana. This is the 2-step truck washer fleet washing system. It actually had the 3,500 5.5 gallon hot water power washer, 535 gallon water tank, inlet high pressure hose reels that are electric powered or electric rewind, and a 2-step manual gun, so you can switch from one soap to another soap. And what you'll see inside here is a titanium trash bin cleaning truck package that's going to California, along with a green trailer, and another trailer inside here is also headed to California. The 2 trailers are shipping Monday. This titanium truck mount is shipping tomorrow. So this titanium truck mount is a 19,500 pound rated truck, heavy duty steel platform, steel panel doors, double bin lifters. We're finishing it up now. Have the 17th stage wastewater recovery and filtration system. Can also filter or recover wastewater up to 100 feet away from the truck using the vacuum hose reel. We have an additional inlet and high pressure reel for power washing or doing compactor than dumpsters. Dual tanks. We do not use the trash bin hopper on the back of the trucks or trailers as holding tanks. That's not really street legal in any city or state in the country to be able to haul wastewater around in open top containers, like an open top 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 gallon hopper. Doesn't make any sense that anybody would do that. This is another waste company getting this one, which is a titanium trailer package. Safety dome lights, inlet high pressure reel. This actually has the soft wash system or chemical spraying system on it. Also our 3,500 PSI at 9 gallon hot water machine. 17 stage recycling system. This truck trailer here is also a titanium package. Blue, same feature, 3,509. Winterizing tank, inlet high pressure hose reel. Dual bin lifters. We have never had to replace a worn out cleaning head yet. So if you're looking for an industrial package that can hold up to the stress, I've been dealing with pressure washer, fleet washing, and now trash bin cleaning system. I've been in the industry for 33 years. I helped over 1,000 people get started in their business, and we're able to help you with website, route management software, marketing, help with HOAs and different approaches for government and what sanitation company contracts. We're all in to help support you. We do not charge you franchise fees or restrict you with a franchise territory. Everything you do, you invest, you own, you make your own money. We provide you the equipment and lifelong technical and sales support. Like I said, we can build the website, route management software that can handle the higher numbers. A lot of them are limited to only a handful of customers a day. We have clients that do hundreds of customers a day with just one trailer, one truck mount. So we are able to really adapt and give you the kind of system you need. Once again, Dan Swede, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. You can go to trashbincleanersdirect.com or pressurecleanersdirect.com. You can also call us at 616-250-4039. That's 616-250-4039. And email us if you would like more information too. I can send you catalog, price list, and gross income opportunity charts. This is a great opportunity for businesses that are pressure cleaning, carpet cleaning, pest control, moving companies. We've sold a ton of different applications where it's a nice way to get an influx of an extra couple thousand customers a year that helps both sides of the business. And as a standalone business, this is awesome and our opportunity. So, once again, thank you for watching, and stay in contact with us.